This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the devices and securing a clean power source. Plug adapter into a wall outlet and connect it to the router with an Ethernet cable. This creates the network source. Then plug adapter B into the outlet nearest the device you want online. Once done, power both adapters and watch for the link LED to stabilize. A solid light usually means the electrical connection and handshake are healthy. Make sure not to use surge protectors. They can block the signal. Now you'll pair and configure the adapters so they communicate securely. If they have a pair button, press it on adapter A, then press the button on adapter B within the required time window. The devices will exchange keys. If they use desktop or mobile software, launch it and follow the on-screen pairing and encryption prompts. Assign a recognizable network name so you can manage them later. Once paired, verify Ethernet LEDs are active. The connection is encrypted and tied to your home wiring. Finish by connecting your device to adapter B with an Ethernet cable and testing the connection. You should see immediate network access. If speeds are lower than expected, move the adapter to another outlet on the same circuit and avoid GFCI outlets or power strips, which degrade performance. If pairing or connectivity fails, perform a factory reset on both adapters, then repeat the pairing steps. This clears old credentials and often fixes stubborn link issues. Keep the firmware updated to maintain reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.